For the examples of iteration in the for loop, for the start the underscore the value and to end the value, do statement and end forever. Given the examples of print n natural numbers in pseudocode for an algorithm, begin, get n, initialize I equal to 1 for I less than equal to n, do, then print I, then I equal to I plus 1, end for an end. The next syntax for the while loop, while a condition, to, statement and end while. The example for print n natural numbers of algorithm and pseudocode for begin, get n, initialize I equal to 1 while I less than equal to n, do, print I, then I equal to I plus 1, end while and end. The flowchart for the for loop example in get n numbers, start get n, then I equal to 1, and if is I less than equal to n, if condition is yes, print I and I equal to I plus 1, and then return the I is I uh, less than or n. If condition is no, then the program will be a stop. The next thing is a recursion. And recursion is a function that calls itself is known as a recursion. Recursion is a process by which a function calls it repeatedly until some specified condition has been satisfied. For a given algorithm for and factorial of n number using the recursion, the main function is a start, and step 2 is a get n, and step 3 is a call factorial of n, and step 4 is a print fact, and step 5 is a stop. Then we have find a sub function factorial of n equal to if n equal to 1, then fact equal to 1 to return fact, then else fact equal to n star factorial of n minus 1 and return the fact. If the meaning of the flowchart for the main function start get n, call the factorial of n, print fact and stop, then subfunctional of the flowchart is a factorial of n if the condition of if n equal to 1. If condition is yes, then fact equal to 1, then return the fact. Then otherwise, if the condition is no, then factorial equal to n star factorial n minus 1 and then n minus 1. The pseudocode for the factorial using the recursion. The main function is a begin, get n, call the factorial of n, print fact, bin. The subfunction of factorial of n, if n equal to 1, then fact equal to 1, then return fact, else then return fact equal to n star factorial of n minus 1.